Alright, guys. Got the first fish off camera on the little jerkbait. Came out here yesterday, killed him. Didn't have the GoPro. Came back out for round 2. Nice little fish. Alright, bud. There he goes. Got that little Lucky Craft jerkbait. I think this is the Pointer 100. Sexy shad color. Right there. He killed it. Killed it. 12-pound fluorocarbon. Medium rod. Great combo right there.
Got one.
Oh my, what? Nice one right there. Guys, I'm retying right now. Always gotta retie. My friend's got a little fish on a on a little liftless crankbait. Choked it. Haha. Alright, enough of this. Release. What do you think that was? That wasn't as good as the fish we were catching yesterday.
Yeah, it was.
No, that wasn't as big. Yesterday, those were all like 2.5 pounds. Yeah. It's got another one in the trap. You can get that one, right?
He broke off one of the hooks.
Oh, really?
Wait, are there only 2 hooks on that trap?
Well, now there are. There you go. I said that I think the watercolor is affecting them. That one's out of the depths.
This is a deep one.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, that's a bigger fish. That's like okay. We don't need to land it. Now he's
bud? Yeah, today they want
Not that big.
today they want the trap over the. There he goes.